Right, another donation's just arrived, and this is my neighbour dropped this into me. He said something's wrong with it, he's not sure what it is, but it looks like a bit of fun to play with. Got a micro B port, we have a little BL5C battery. I think I've got a charger for them. Little lithium battery, and that's what the old Nokia phones used to use, was those BL5Cs. They've kind of become standardized. There's a power switch. Looks like there's a volume control. No SD card or anything, it's all just sort of built in. Oh, and there's a video output, so there's obviously, that's what that's for. AV out. Interesting stuff. I'll see if it fires up. Alright, so I just turned it on, it plays music, but nothing on the screen. I think we're going to get a screwdriver to it. Alright, the screws are out, let's see what we got. Fairly simple back plane. Alright, this is probably going to be one little screw there to hold that in. I reckon it'll be like those carbonized rubber pads to make contact with the LCD. It's the same size screw as all the others. Yep, so we have our screen is actually a ribbon cable. Carbonized rubber pads on the front. The LCD screen's here. It could be just a connection issue with this little connector. We'll see. We'll have a mess around with this and see what we can do. Right, so I was doing a little bit of probing here in amongst the magpie larks crowing. We can have a look on the back of the display here. These two wires here are the display power wires, and it looks like it wasn't, the backlight wasn't working, so I thought I would probe these with my tester and see if we can get backlight on it. So there we go. There is enough current through this to light the backlights. I was worried with the dodgy soldering, which you can see a photo here, that the soldering might have been dodgy, but clearly there's no short circuit. The backlights work. So, probably a connection issue. Okay, so I removed the battery and plugged it straight into USB or micro USB power, and it's actually pulling a reasonable amount of current. It's pulling about 0.5 amp. So, yeah, I think it might be just a flat battery. I think I'll plug it in and let the battery charge for a bit. Alright, see how we go here. Not too bad. You gotta push really hard on the controls.